Okay. Xo'sh, hamsa tekst kimi kelib qaptiq savodashlar. Hamsa bir diqqat qilib, hamsa mushniki bir anglash qismini anglaytamizlar. All right. Listen carefully.
Lesson 35. Our village. Listen to the tape, then answer this question. Are the children coming out of the park or going into it?
This is a photograph of our village. Our village is in a valley. It is between two hills. The village is on a river. Here is another photograph of the village. My wife and I are walking along the banks of the river. We are on the left. There is a boy in the water. He is swimming across the river. Here is another photograph. This is the school building. It is beside a park. The park is on the right. Some children are coming out of the building. Some of them are going into the park.
Xo'sh, amsa anglab bo'ldingmi? Amsa anglab bo'lgan bo'lsanglar, tekstga birdan qarab bag'aylar. This is a photograph of our village. Okay. Endi bu bo'lsa bizning yezimizning nimasi? Bizning yezimizningki bir surati. Bu bo'lsa bir yezimizning nimasi? Surati ekan our village. And our village is in a valley. Endi bizning yezimiz bo'lsa nada? In a valley, bir jilg'ida. Okay. And it's between two hills. And the ikki do'nglik vakin olmayadi. O ikki do'ngning nimasi deydi? Orasida. Demak, endi ikki narsaning orasida bo'lsa nima deydi? Between, ya'ni between two hills, ikki do'ngning orasida. Endi agar u ikki saboqdishining orasida bo'lsa, yoki ikki o'quvchining orasida bo'lsa, masalan, he is between two classmates, yoki two students. O'sha ikkisining nimasida? Orasida. The village is on a river. Okay, endi bu yerga bu yiza nari deydi? On a river. Endi bu yerga on a river deganimiz nima? Masalan, shu daryoga yaqin, daryo bo'yida degan gap. Hargiz daryoning ustiga selingan emas. Shu daryo ustida deymiz, lekin nima? Masalan, daryo bo'yiga selingan yoki shu daryo bo'yida degan gap. Bu yerga the village deydi, endi eliqi. Deya shu bizningki, shuni ko'rsatadi. Xo'sh, here is another photograph of the village. And the shu yiziningki yana bir resmi. And the another yana bir parcha, shundami? Here is another photograph of the village. Okay, my wife and I are walking along the banks of the river. Okay. Men ayolim bilan men ham ikisini aytibdi. My wife and I are walking. And men ovatimiz nari? Along the banks of the river. And the yerga along deganimiz nima desanlar? Bo'ylab mangmoq. Masalan, along the banks of the river, daryo bo'ylarini bo'ylab mengotimiz. Ana tomni bo'ylab yo'q. Along the wall, tomni bo'ylab. Along the wall. We are on the left. Okay, we are on the left. And the biz qaysi tarafda? Sol tarafda. We are on the left. There is a boy in the water. Okay, and the suda nima? Bir o'g'il bola bor. There is a boy in the water. Suda nima? Bir o'g'il bola. Endi misharga suv uzayotgan bola ekan-ku. He's swimming across the river. Endi abola daryoning u qirg'idan bu qirg'iga kesib o'tmoqchi, demakchi matrabga bo'lsa across the river. Demak, he is swimming across the river. And we are on the left. On the left. The left. Dön ishlatib qo'yamdi yaga. Demakchi, shuning sol tarafida. Demak, endi shu daryoning sol tarafida demakchi. Here is another photograph. And bu yerda yana bir taldim bakan, foto bakan. This is the school building. And bu bo'lsa nima? Maktab binosi. School building. Okay, it's beside a park. And the bir bağçının yanında. Misal beside deganimiz yanında degan gap, balla. Beside. Okay, beside. Beside. The park on the right. And then şu park bağçı kanarken nang o'ng tarafı nima? Şu maktabning o'ng tarafı. On the right. Yoki yo'lni. Tushunami? Some children are coming out of the building and some children going into it. Ba'zilari binodan chiqyapti, ba'zilari qanday desanglar, bag'chiga chirib ketib bordi. Xo'sh, shams qaranglar. Mishariki river swimming is he across. And ma'ni birlashtirdik nima? He's swimming across the river. Tushunami? Hamsa ma'ni bir tuzda bir jumla qilib qo'yinglar. Masalan, children ularga coming, some or building out of the backend. You know, some children are coming out of the building and some of them going into it. And some of them are going into the park. Some children are coming out of the building. Okay, out of the coming out of and I'm looking out of the window. And then there is no sırtı qarağıtı men. Demek ki men talağa qarağıtı men degan gap, okay. And some of them are going into the park. And the ba'zilari qanday desanglar, bog'chaning ichiga qanday qo'ydi? Kiryapti. Okay, some of them. And bu yerga some of them degandan keyiniga sanig'ini bo'lmaydiganini qo'yishga bo'ladi. Yoki sanig'ini bo'lganini qo'yishga bo'ladi. Sanig'ini bo'lganini qanday desanglar, fush-fushing shu. Ko'plik shaklga kelish kerak. Demak, endi shu bir butunlikdan shirtga bir qismi degan gap, some of deganimiz. Masalan, some of the water, azroq suv. Shu suvninki azroqi degan gap. Tushunamizmi? Some of the student, okay, shu bolalarniki, shu bir to'p bolalarning shu bir qismi degan gap. Demak, endi darvozadan maktabdan bir necha o'quvchi bir turkum o'quvchi chiqdi shunami? Ya'ni shularning bir qismi qanday qildi? Shu bag'cha chirib ketdi. Demek endi masalan men bir stakan suv qo'ydim, men uni azroqini, some of the water azroq suvini qanday qildim? Ichdim deganday. All right. Amsa bizniki 35-darsimiz mishagicha bo'lsin. Endi xo'sh 36 keldik. Bu 36 nima desangiz, o'xshashlar o'shadan keyin desangiz, davomi. Where deydi. Xo'sh, amsa qaranglar, going into. Endi ma going into qo'yib tushunami? Shop, naga do'konga. So where is the man going? Balla, ama action chirib ketib manada. Where is the man going? And the name is she is going into the shop. And the dukkanga chirib ketib bordi. He is going into the shop. So sitting beside his mother and u opasining endi o'tiribdi. So where is the boy sitting? So where is the boy sitting? And the o'g'il bola nima o'tiribdi? He is sitting beside his mother, right? He is sitting beside his mother. Beside his mother. Okay, and the walking across the street. So where are they walking? You know, you can say they people or they are walking across the street. And so walking between and two policemen. So where is the man walking? You know, he's walking between two policemen. Okay, he's walking between two policemen. Okay, next, sitting near the tree. So, and where is she sitting? Where is the girl sitting? And the box is narrow through Dari ashu darakni yiqiyarish nama. She is sitting near the tree. Okay, she is sitting near the tree. She is sitting near the tree. What about this? Flying under the bridge. Demekçi, körüknün astırın uçup biter düşünama. And bu aeroplan nerede uçuyordu diye. Where is the airplane flying? Okay. And the almost it. It is flying under the bridge. And the körüknün astırın uçup biter düşünama. Sitting on the grass. Çimlikning ustida o'tiradi. So where are they sitting? Ular nerede oturuyorlar? Elbette çimlikning ustida oturadi. They are sitting on the grass. Okay, where reading in the living room. And ular nerede o'qiyotganmi? Where are they reading? Ular nerede o'qiyotdi? They are reading in the living room. Elbette nima? Mehmonxona uyda o'qiyotdi. They are reading in the living room. They are reading in the living room. Xo'sh, endi shu written exercise kelsak, vallah, shu oxirgi ing qatish. Endi oldingi soatimizda mana tafsiliy so'zliq ing qatqanda qanday qilmaydi desanglar, mana o'xshash, masalan, bir bo'g'imliq, qisqa bo'g'im, masalan, bir yoki ikki bo'g'imliq so'zlarningki eng oxirgi uzuk tovush bo'lsa, hamda oxirini sanaganda ikkinchi o'rinda suzuq tovush harfi bo'lsa, buningga oxirgi uzuk tovushni qaytlab, uningga ing qatimiz dedik. Endi uzuk tovush degan fuyinsimi, suzuq tovush harfi deganimiz nima desanglar, yuayinsimi. Arada bir bo'g'im deganimiz nima desanglar, yinjerab qo'yamiz-ku. Tarkibida birlam suzuq tovush bo'lsa, buni birlam yuayinsimi bo'lsa, buni bir bo'g'im deymiz. Masalan, put bir bo'g'im. Masalan, beautiful. B U T full. Ma put bo'g'imliq so'z. Beautiful deganimiz chiroyli degan ishni. Masalan, ma put bo'lsa nima? Putting. Masalan, swim, swimming degandek. Masalan, he's putting on his coat. And u paltorni kiyodir. Swim, macho. Masalan, he's swimming across the river. Okay, masalan, the cat is running along the wall. Demak, put, swim, run. Malaga keyinda bir qaytli o'tib qanday qilamiz? Ing qatimiz. Xo'sh, endi men misolga asosan ulg'a qilib ishlab beraman. Masalan, boy swimming across the river. And where is the boy swimming? He's swimming across the river. And the mau example. He's swimming across the river. And the daryoni kesib o'tib qanday qilyapti? Uzwadir. Masalan, children going into the park. Okay, and bolalar nega kirib ketib bordi deb so'raymiz, nima? Anaga nima? Ular bog'chaga kirib ketib bordi. Masalan, nima? Where are the children going? Where are the children going? They are going into the park. Ular bog'chaga qanday qilyapti? Kirib ketib bordi. Degandek. Demak, endi to'liq shaklni shunga o'xshash avval savol, undan keyin javobni qilib ishlasam, asosan bo'ldi. Bo'ldi, shu ulgu misol mushagicha olsun. Sizlar shuni cho'qim yaxshi ulgu qilib ishlab tugatsangiz bo'ldi. Xo'sh, hamsa bugungi dars mushagicha bo'lsin. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.